Hollywood Studios, and I'm here for a cast preview of the Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. I'm so excited. I am getting one of the first looks. I signed up for the first time that you could come, and I'm hoping they don't kick cast members out because we are blocked out at this moment in time until forevermore. RIP. But I'm so excited to be here and ride the ride. Disclaimer, I can't take you on the ride with me today. It's gonna be very secret. They're gonna make sure that we don't get any pictures or anything like that. Plus I wouldn't want to do that because I don't want to jeopardize my job with the company. But I want to give my first initial review and my thoughts. So yeah, people are looking at me, it's kind of funny. So now I'm self-conscious. Don't look at me. So I actually don't even know what kind of ride Minnie's Runaway Railway is going to be. I think there's been mock-ups and like people have talked about it, but like I didn't really pay attention. I kind of just thought that it's going to be like a roller coaster because it sounds like it, like a runaway railway. Like, hello, don't you think roller coaster? But apparently it's not. So I'm hearing it's gonna be more like a Universal ride where it has like kind of the screens and stuff, or like the Ratatouille ride, or like kind of like Rise of the Resistance where it's more of like immersive and you're in like a cart. But I have no idea, so I'm about to go find out. My preview is at 11:30 and it is now 11:25, so I'm about to figure out where I need to go and ride. So the ride is actually down right now, big bummer, but I'm able to come back at any point today and they'll honor it and I'll be able to ride, so I guess I gotta come back. In the meantime, let's watch the little Star Wars show.
Abandoned his unit.
Show me again the power of the darkness. Remember, nothing's taken away.
But I think there were still cast members covering the spot where we're supposed to go for a preview, so I think it might still be down. But that's okay because I'll just have to kill time here at Hollywood Studios.
Darn!
But my roommate should be joining me. My roommate Amanda is like 7-ish minutes away, so she's gonna come and join me and hang out. And then my other roommate Brooke should be joining me later, and she has her cast preview tonight. So what I'm thinking is, since they told me I could come back at any point during the day, that we can just ride together later. So let's hope that's how it works out. Look who's here!
I was complaining. Let me throw the
You were supposed to throw yourself away. You are the trash. We really out here sitting on the ground, taking photos. We're trying our gosh darn hardest.
Not good enough, clearly.
Everyone hates us for it. Making our way to a galaxy far, far away.
Making our way down. Oh.
It was so cold this morning, like a low 60s when we got here, and it was super chilly. But now we're on Batu, where there's 2 extra suns, and now I'm sweating. Really confused, really confused. Now we're taking a lunchy break. We changed outfits. Now it's really loud in here actually, but we're in Docking Bay 7 in Galaxy's Edge, and I have the yummiest food. This is my favorite meal on property.
Me?
Not you! She said me? No. Focus, focus, there we go. These are called something really, really funky. I don't know the name of it, but I'm gonna insert it right there. But it's their veggie option, and it's so yummy. Yeah. It's the 3 suns. Rise of the Resistance. That's not us today, unfortunately.
I know, wake up early for that.
I want to ride it again so bad. It has been quite a day. It was freezing cold, and then it was hot in the sun, and now it's back to being freezing cold, but look who joined me! Brookie Cookie! But she literally got the same thing I got earlier, which is the Felucian kefta and hummus garden spread. Nom nom. You babysitting over there? My little steamboat Mickey guy.
His name is Willy Willy.
His name is Willy Willy.
And I'm
What's
his
up, Willy?
grandmother.
Oh, okay. The stage movers out here doing the most. Wait, yeah! I said the stage movers out here doing the most.
Yeah.
But anyway, it's time for our preview! Yeah. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. Who's ready to run away? I am.
I'm running away.
Hit me.
Forgot to tell you I'm neat. No, just kidding.
Okay, we're gonna go ride now. I'll let you know how it is after. Bye! So we just got off the ride and we got these cute little tickets. So cute. And they have the little opening day date on there, March 4th, 2020. And this is the back, so cute. But it was really good. I don't know what I was expecting.
Yeah, it was like just like nothing I've done before.
Right. Like
it was just like,
I mean, for me, it's more like I can compare it to like the trackless rides that are in the international parks, because a lot of the international parks have trackless rides like Phantom Manor at, I believe, Hong Kong Disneyland, and Ratatouille at Paris. And so I think almost comparing it to those rides, it came a little subpar, honestly. But I mean, it took us by surprise. It was really cute and fun and immersive, and it was a very quick ride though. Very quick. Yeah, quicker than I was expecting.
but it was fun. It was fun.
It was fun.
I was
Great work.
confused the whole time.
I didn't really know what was
I didn't understand
happening.
the plot, but like I understand what was going on.
We also got stuck, and so we might have missed like a middle story part. We don't really know, but can we get a re-ride, please? Yeah. I mean, it was great. Like, I think it was like very well done with all the artwork and imagination. But yeah, that's pretty much it. We're kind of just like, yeah, hooray. But I'm gonna end today's vlog on that note. But thank you guys so much for watching. We had a great time, and we'll see you real soon. Bye. I forgot what I was gonna say.